So we're just on a scavenger hunt to see what things we can find for the garden, because you know, when you're cheapskate you find little ways to get things done for free. This is an abandoned land. It's been abandoned for as ever as I remember it, and there's rumours that there's some nice stuff on here up for grabs.
Nice big rock as well, look. Not that you'd ever get those home.
No. Unless you're Samson. Ooh, tasty. Seeing the size of these plant pots, we're able to make some beauty raised beds out of these.
Well, look, all of these used to hold pots together, so there's a lot of pots that size as
well. The challenge will be, you can't get any vehicles down here, it's terrible.
They're a lot bigger than the one.
So it's going to be a lot of lugging power. But the bounty is indeed sweet and worth the effort. Look at that. Ooh, what a, oh man, beautiful. Oh, sweet, man. Take a lot of soil to fill that up though. But this stuff's been here years apparently. Look at these pots, dude. Man. When I get all these mangoes and stuff that I'm growing and avocados, we'll get these in there.
I'm pretty sure, look, there's some smaller ones over there.
Yes.
See these ones here?
Do you think these are from all the mulberry trees that were planting up there?
I'd imagine so. And rather than actually get rid of them properly, they've just chucked them down here. Hey, that's a nice size.
Hey, that's what you want, man. They're bigger than the other ones I got, aren't they?
Yeah, that's a good size in between actually.
For the dragon fruit, I want to repot them dragon fruits because they're just growing like mad and they're going to be too big for the terrace. So I was thinking I'm going to put them in a pot like that and then I can move them around wherever I want. We'll be able to carry them home today. Man, there's loads, bro. Loads.
Sure is. And there's a good range of sizes as well.
Loads. Have you seen that one over there? That's a big oh, here, let's. Whoa! Look at that, man. I'd never fill it up. Nice. All the pots I'd ever need right there. We've got a load of gravel here as well. Be hard to carry all that up though. You can't get a car down here and it's quite a walk. Man, that's solid.
Oh yeah, it's like 15 years old.
It's been here like 10, 15 years, this pit.
That's for filling pots.
Look at that, man. Nice stones there. Perfect. Nice bits of gravel for the bottom of your pots. Really good. The only problem is, oh, that even looks nice for your driveway, man. Yeah. But I'd have to find a way to bring the van down here. You know what I mean? It's always worth having a little scout around where you live to see what you can find for free, man. Always try and spend as little money as possible. Living free, you know what I mean? And it's amazing some of the things that you can find that people have just abandoned, man. Look at the size of that, man. That'll take some. Oof. Just a little gecko. Man. Oh man, I found the perfect pot.
Hey.
That's just a little bit smaller, I think, than the other one, isn't it?
A bit smaller than the one you've got, you mean? Yeah. Take it, man.
And I'll be able to put them blueberries in here because they need repotting. Yeah, we'll take this one, and I might take a few more of them other little ones with the handles on. Man, I love this place. Come and check this out, man. You've got a little wall here. Hold on. Little base here, man. You're never too old to make a fort in the woods. You know what I mean? This is pretty weeny, man. Like it. You got sorrel. Really tasty. Like apple peel. It's sad really that people just leave all this junk in the countryside, you know what I mean? Very sad.
Good man.
Yeah, he's going to take a lot of filling though.
Imagine for potatoes. Plant the potato at the bottom, it still gets plenty of sunlight, and as you go packing more soil around it, it starts growing roots off the sides, and you get more potatoes.
Yeah, but then you got to dig it up, unless you put like a door or something in the side.
No, I think it's worth it though. Imagine all the potatoes you get. Just 3 plants.
I wonder if you could make an easy compost bin out of these, and you don't need to fart about with the pallets.
Yeah, but it's getting pickaxe.
Bit awkward.
Yeah. Zipping it.
Was that you who just farted?
I trod on a frog.
What's that? Oh, dude, termites.
I'm poisonous. What's its name?
Whoa! Oh, whoa!
Oh, you've only just seen it.
Oh, it's coming for me. Flipping heck, he's coming for me. Let's stand here and see if it. No, it's not. Oh, it's coming for you now, Will. Can smell fear. Let's see if it'll. Oh, it's not aggressive though. Once did this to a spider and it went crazy. Man, that thing's getting really heavy. It didn't feel heavy at all when I first picked it up. Look at this, man. Nice bit of irrigation pipe there. Well, just what I needed as well, so I can send the water down to the new veggie patch we're working on. So we'll take that. Should be alright. Looks weathered though, it's probably been here 10 years. Looks really weathered, but it's not got any holes in it. Probably just enough there though as well.
Yeah.
Just need to find the fittings for it. Nice one. All the money you save, dude, just scouting around your neighbourhood, you know. Obviously it's a fine line between salvaging and stealing things out of people's gardens, so don't steal. No stealing, man. So guys, I hope you've learnt an important lesson. Before spending loads of money, have a little look around. You know, you'd be surprised what you can find for free. Got to go and finish off that irrigation now in the garden before it gets dark. Check out the community page. I've put some updates in there, little updates and that, more informal. So you'll know what I'm talking about if you're in tune with the community page. Guys, we'll see you next time. See you later. The car is in sight. The car is in sight, Roo. It's the final stretch, Roo. Nothing's ever truly for free.